China's mothership just took its first test flight, and what this can do, everyone needs to know about. This so-called mothership can release entire swarms of drones, meaning in a single attack, it can cause more damage than most weapons on the planet. Not only that, but this Chinese mothership can fly 15 kilometers above the ground, meaning very few air defense systems on the planet can actually shoot it down. But you need to know that it doesn't just stop there. This mothership has also been designed to carry up to 6 tons in payload. But what's important is that actually includes humanitarian aid. Yes, this drone mothership that's been designed to kill thousands of people is also going to be used to save millions. Not only could China use this mothership to release swarms of drones which can kill thousands of people, but China will be able to use this drone to drop humanitarian aid on people that need it. China faces huge natural disasters every year. If you don't know, it's simply because of how big a country they are. So this drone mothership with its humanitarian aid dropping capabilities will help China massively. It will be able to drop massive amounts of humanitarian aid to people on the ground that need it, especially when it's almost impossible for other vehicles on the ground to get to those locations. But China though, as you'd expect, because this was its first test flight, they wanted to use it as an opportunity to show off its capabilities. And because of that, they put on weapons, not humanitarian aid. This test flight was done to send a clear message to the West of just how powerful this drone is. This was China trying to tell the West that they have something the West doesn't. And this thing is far more powerful than almost anything the West has. Drones are the future of warfare. Ukraine is a great example of that. And China here is making huge advancements on that front. Nobody is really talking about this, and you wouldn't know about it if you didn't leave me a follow for some more global news like this. The question is China's dual-use drone mothership smart innovation, or is this just military deception hiding behind humanitarian claims? Drop your thoughts below.